Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at one of India's engineering marvels, the Sardar Sarovar Dam, and we're taking you to one of the best spots to soak in its beauty, Viewpoint 3. Trust me, this place will leave you speechless. Viewpoint 3 offers a panoramic view of the dam and its surroundings. You can see the massive reservoir stretching far and wide, with the Narmada River flowing gracefully below. The sheer scale of this structure is incredible. What makes Viewpoint 3 so special is not just the view of the dam itself, but the peaceful atmosphere. The lush green hills in the background, the sound of water, and the cool breeze make it a perfect spot to relax and admire the sheer beauty of nature and human ingenuity. Whether you're here for photography, sightseeing, or just to unwind, Sardar Sarovar Dam Viewpoint 3 offers an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to bring your camera because these views are Instagram-worthy. If you're ever in Gujarat, make sure to stop by this spot and take in the breathtaking views. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing travel content. See you in the next adventure.